Hello guys, it's Billionaires Cloud FX here. Uh, as you can see, these are my trades for today. I only took trades today, two trades today, just the GBP USD and the USD CAD. And actually, the GBP USD I actually posted it today on my Instagram, and I had drawn trend lines like basically a triangle on it, and the caption was, sometimes you just have to go back to the basic strategies. And as you can see, just the basic triangle, it's working, you know, just from a basic breakout, waiting for a basic breakout. And these are the results for just today, almost 2000 GBP pounds, made just today. I'm gonna run these until around 9, then I'm gonna close them because I'm a day trader. So yeah, guys, so if you want to find out how to do this, just contact us, and within 3 months you'll be able to trade like this. If you put in the work, you've got to work hard for it though. Nothing is easy in Forex. It's easy making money in Forex, but it's hard keeping the money that you make.